Dubai lies on the coast of the Persian Gulf. It is the largest and most populated city in the United Arab Emirates. Today, Dubai is a global, vibrant new city and a hub of the Middle East. In the past 30 years, fantasy has really become reality.
What was kilometers of desert is now a busy metropolis as a major transport, tourism and financial hub.
Attracting people from across the world with its fascinating architecture, man-made islands and luxury hotels, Dubai is a city of both innovation and extravagance. Revenue from oil enabled Dubai to grow, but now less than 5% of GDP comes from oil and gas.
As of 2017, Dubai's population is around 2.2 million, of which 80% are expats. Whilst Dubai has one of the world's fastest growing economies with a growth rate of 6.1% in 2014.
Dubai is really now a role model for development, an ultra postmodern and futuristic socio-political and economic infrastructural system. Its newest aim is to be a smart city, but not just the smartest city, but the happiest city. And this is developed with a strategy made up through innovation and smart thinking, planning and action.
The number of smart cities around the world is expanding and evolving rapidly. However, before Dubai can potentially become the Silicon Valley of the Arab world, there are market restraints that cities globally need to overcome. Funding and capex. High government debt leads to lack of funding. The refurbishment debate. Refurbishment of individual systems at a lower cost and gradually, rather than large-scale smart city projects. Third, downtime of city systems. Smart city transformation means significant downtimes. Everyone is so used to 24/7 services. Investment in legacy. Authorities are forced to monetize existing investments in legacy systems and collect return on investment before deploying new technologies. There are also many socio-economic factors to overcome, such as poverty, income distribution, education, and employment levels. Having said that, there are 5 main market drivers of smart cities that will see their implementation intensify. Urbanization. 180,000 people move to cities every day globally. Green consciousness. Deployment of green infrastructure to achieve energy efficiency and sustainability goals. Interoperable communications. Governments look for increased interoperability of verticals. Big data and smartization. Big data analytics enables new generations of technologies. The increasing need for time saving. Smarter and efficient infrastructure enables time conservation and adds convenience to busy urban citizens.
The smart city aim is to make Dubai smart through innovation and research. A city in which all elements from transport, infrastructure, business and government services are interconnected with each other, which can facilitate growth and knowledge. Dubai have taken many initiatives and is moving very rapidly in the smart city arena. The Smart City Initiative was announced in May 2013, and today Dubai has over 500 initiatives and services. They also have major initiative strategies such as Smart Dubai's paperless strategy, where 100% of its customers and internal transactions taking place digitally, the Dubai blockchain strategy, and of course the vision of His Highness of fueling a city transformation to happiness. The initiatives are delivered by 8 government entities, including the Design and Silicon District, to drive various use cases. This is conducted through a specific unit entity that solely focuses on smart cities called Smart Dubai. They have clearly defined strategic objectives, including a 2021 roadmap of what initiatives to undertake to help businesses, districts, and government bodies to develop, implement, and pilot smart roadmaps and plans. At the core of the smart city innovation is the integrated Smart Dubai platform, a powerful smart city big data platform that uses data to make life easier for people and businesses. The citywide program is geared through a framework of 4 strategic pillars that act as guiding principles. Efficient. Optimize use of the city's resources. Dubai is very efficient in getting the maximum value of resources. Seamless. Having integrated daily life services. Safe. To be able to anticipate risk and protect people and information. Personalized, to enrich life and business experiences. The impact on the city will then be measured along 3 areas. Financial impact. Services enable cost saving, while insights from data drive innovation and simulate economic growth. Resource and infrastructure impact. When city resources and infrastructure are sustainable, a clean and healthy environment is maintained. Customer impact. More efficient and seamless services save time and money while delivering experiences. The
4 pillars are also supported by 6 strategic themes in delivering impact. These 6 are the most common indicators or verticals of smart cities and cover interrelated action fields with a host of solutions and subcategories. Every strategic initiative and program evaluated against these impact areas so that decision makers can focus time and resources on the most impactful projects.
Smart mobility, smooth transport driven by autonomous and shared mobility solutions. Smart society, interconnected society with accessible services. Smart economy, globally competitive economy powered by disruptive technologies. Smart living and resilient city. Smart government, digital, lean, connected. Smart environment, clean environment enabled by cutting-edge ICT innovation. According to Roland Berger, most cities lack a holistic perspective that covers all parts of society and all relevant facets of urban life. Thus, Dubai is undertaking a plethora of initiatives and partnerships focusing on all the 6 strategic indicators. This is further underpinned by the 3 themes: communication, integration, and cooperation, and it is this approach that will help it become the first truly global smart city. Dubai has not always been recognized as a smart city leader. This smart city maturity curve from Arthur D. Little shows Dubai's strategy in 2014 at the pilot stage, where cities gather experience by piloting one vertical action field. This resulted in a low global smart city ranking. Smart cities are all about learning from other cities on what works well and then applying it. Today, Dubai is increasingly seen as a pioneering smart city, consistently ranking in the top 10 of global smart cities. By leveraging the latest in technology innovations and having a structured approach has made the rise to the platform stage possible. This is the riskiest strategy, but also the one with the most reward. Globally, smart city deployment tend to have heavy focus on certain areas which can cause an imbalance in overall strategies. Dubai is focused on all areas, but particularly as Dubai, more so than any other Emirati city, is trying to diversify its economy. Nevertheless, for Dubai to achieve its focus on an integrated ecosystem, there is still much to be done as Dubai faces challenges from regulation, infrastructure, government and technology. Cities need to develop a comprehensive end-to-end approach. There are some critical success factors which are likely to be key to Dubai's future, and they serve as a blueprint for other transformational programs also. Leadership. The current governance is a critical driver for the success of the SMART initiative. Continue a dedicated central authority to identify city and citizens' needs, drive direction, as well as target and monitor the mission and vision of the agenda. Citizen co-creation, not only understanding the demand of citizens and stakeholders, but having smart community-based regeneration from the bottom up, as most urban transformations are a result of a joint effort between different kinds of actors. Integration, implementing a solutions-oriented initiative will be key to success, covering different technological applications across the 6 major pillars as well as cross-sectors. Dubai must continue to develop all action fields that need IT infrastructure, as well as supporting policies, regulation and legal frameworks to prevent any blockages. Innovation. The vision of the smart city requires technological information in order to improve its services and eventually the quality of life of its residents. Continue to embrace and invest in innovation technology. Furthermore, co-working spaces are becoming the new normal. In some cities, co-living is really taking off. An example of Dubai's approach is the Dubai Silicon Oasis Authority, which provides both a living and working integrated community and provides a free trade zone. However, instead of being concentrated in a single area, it should be spread across the town. Learn and observe. Dubai must also learn from other leading smart cities such as Singapore and Vienna. Private sector. Encouraging public-private joint innovation-oriented model will be key to low cost. Multi-actor partnerships emphasizes the recognition that governments will only be capable of delivering positive impacts if they partner with non-governmental players as major stakeholders. Safety and security. Governments should develop new laws regarding personal data protection and who is accessible to what data, because big companies have incredible amounts of information. Working with vendors to make sure that data is secure is key. Smart city projects with an integrated approach can really maximize potential and deliver up to 15% additional GDP return. Current predictions suggest that the ITO impact smart cities could reach $1.6 trillion by 2025, while further revenue boosts are predicted due to the heightened productivity. Many cities have a disjointed or unbalanced approach which has an unsuitable or inconsistency strategy, meaning objectives cannot be met and benefits fail to yield. Although Dubai has made much progress, Dubai's smart city strategy will be vital in determining its future path in order to improve citizens' lives, foster growth and support tourism. Forward-looking organizations such as Smart Dubai have already begun to make a lot of headway, and it is only a matter of time before more follow. However, there is no doubt that Dubai will become one of the smartest cities.